it's beginning to feel like Christmas. Like when I woke up this morning, there's this dry, chilly breeze that I started feeling on my skin, and I told my husband that it's beginning to feel like Christmas. And like there's this feeling once it's Christmas, there's this feeling I get. I've already started feeling that way. Plus, you guys are so fast. Like, do you know some people have started putting up a Christmas tree? Like we just entered November and Christmas is still next month, and some people are already putting up their Christmas tree. Well, I'm not even ready for our own. So I think I'll wait till like 1st December, to put up our tree. Or I might put it up earlier. I don't know. But either way, how are you guys doing? Your girl has been so busy. Like a lot of things has just been happening, and it's been crazy. It's been crazy, okay? And there's something I even want to do. Like, as we are in 2024, like we're wrapping up the year 2024, we're about to go into 2025. It's time for all these New Year resolution, vision board, and all that. So there's this approach I've been using for over 2 years now, and it has been working for me. And even last year, I told my sister about it, and she applied it, and it worked for her. And basically, what I'm talking about is, you tap anybody now, they have at least 10 things they want to achieve in 2025. But there's this approach I always, follow, which has been helping me, which is basically, instead of having 10 things that I want to, or like some people even have more than 10 things they want to achieve in the next year. Instead of having all those long list of things that you want to achieve that you might end up not achieving, how about you list all those things out, and then you pick out the most important two or the most important three, analyze how you want to achieve them, and work towards it. Do you understand what I mean? Like, instead of trying to achieve 10 things at once, why not pick out the two most important or three most important, depending on the goal? Because if you try to focus on achieving those 10 goals at the same time, it's not going to work. And before February itself, you've dropped all those goals and you're back to status quo. But if you pick out just the two most important goals and you work towards it, you see that within the first 6 months of next year, you've achieved all those things. So that's what I usually do. Because I learned to, hey, see. I learned that, like, where did I even learn it from? Okay, but I shall know that, you see what the people, they finish planning their second quarter for next year. Like, as we normal people, we are still planning, you want to start doing this one in January, blah, blah, blah. They are done with quarter two, okay? Each year has 4 quarters. In a quarter, we have 3 months. That's how they divide it. So each quarter, you have something you want to achieve. You analyze how you want to achieve them. You set things in motion, to achieve all those things. I've been trying to implement it though, and it has been helping me. So also, will you guys be doing vlogmas for YouTube content creators? Let me know in the comment section, please, because vlogmas is not it's not easy, but I'm looking forward to doing it. Like, I want to challenge myself. With it. Let me see how far I can push. But either way, yeah, your girl has been good. We've been doing okay. No, don't climb. Once you get down, climb. Yeah. Calm down. No, don't stop. Oh my God. That's the one, you don't touch it. You're supposed to be helping me, not doing the other way around. Oh my God. Don't do yourself. I'm a bachelor. Baby girl, I'm just a bachelor. No, no. No, 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 it's not time to play. Get your hands are traveling. Food in front of you. Take out the basket. Calm down. Don't enjoy yourself.